Hey friends, if Microsoft Phone Link is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, one thing is that it's not working in the sense of connecting to your Android or iPhone, and in that case, you will have to verify the connections and all. But from the Windows end, if it is not launching, then here's what you can do. Search for phone link in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open it as an administrator if it works, and then you can start connecting. But if that doesn't help either, then search for phone link once again. In the right pane, select app settings and then scroll down and then click on terminate to terminate any redundant process associated with it. Select repair and wait till you get a tick mark here. And then finally you can reset it. Just click on reset and then on reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.